Today we have a Red Wing rescue. This is a discontinued pair of 9013 Beckmans. Can we save them? Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Pablo from DMAR Shoe Repair. So today's project is this pair of Red Wing Beckmans. This is a discontinued boot. It's a chestnut featherstone leather, which Red Wing used to make at their own tannery, SB Foot. However, this boot is very worn, very scuffed. Personally, I do like the patina these developed, but it's the customer's choice and they want to dye these to a dark brown color. So we're going to rip them apart and give these a new life. Alright guys, so we dissected this boot, disassembled all the materials, and we're left with the upper and a footbed. So this is a very cool chestnut featherstone leather, but it's very worn and the customer wants it dyed dark brown. So that's kind of the main thing we're going to be doing transformation-wise. Other than that, this is kind of built like a standard Beckman Red Wing. So you have your leather full sole that's underneath on top of a fiberboard full sole. So that kind of gives it that double thickness. And then you have the Roca half sole. Now these are known to kind of rot over time. So I did sand the other one and it was kind of rotting away. So it's definitely due for a resole. On top of that, you have a steel shank, which is wrapped in a piece of fabric. And this is why your Red Wing boots don't typically squeak, is because they take the extra time to wrap their shanks in fabric. So when we rebuild this, we're going to use this totally fine 3-ribbed heavy-duty steel shank and then rewrap it in new fabric just to avoid squeaks, because no one likes a squeaky boot. And then the finishing was just a standard Red Wing heel, washer heel with nails driving through. So what we're going to do with this custom resole is just kind of change the whole look. Like I mentioned, we're going to be dyeing it to dark brown. We're going to put new dark brown flat welts, and we're going to use Dr. Sole green half soles and heels and a nice leather heel stack. So stick along and we'll see how these turn out. All right, so this is the finished product of our dyed to dark brown boot. How I learned to dye leather was from my father, and we strip all the original coatings and paint till we get the kind of bare natural leather, and then we can start applying our leather stains. And after a couple of coats of that, we buff them well, put some cream, some color into the boot, and this is the end result we get. So we've gone ahead and welted these as well, and we're going to finish the bottoming now, installing our shanks, our heel rands, and our leather full soles, and then we'll get into the very cool Dr. Sole green half soles and heels. All right, so just a little bit more on this specific pair. This was mailed in to us from Illinois, and we do a lot of shipping and mail-in work. It's very easy to get the process started. You just hop onto our website and you fill out the resole repair form. Let us know what you want done to your footwear, include a couple of pictures, and then from there, I'll give you an estimate. I can even provide a shipping label and an invoice, customs invoice slip if you need it. We've been doing mail-in work for years, and I know it can be a little nerve-wracking to, box up your beloved shoes or boots and send them off to someone you never met in person, but we do this all the time. We're very professional with it. It's a very easy process. We've streamlined the whole thing. And like I've said, we're using a really good shipping broking company right now, so we get really, really good, attractive rates. You can always use your own shipping options too if you want. But yeah, we are super professional with this, so it's very easy to just reach out, shoot us an email, and we'll take it from there. All right, guys, so this is moving along nicely. I just want to take a moment now to talk about the rubber that we're using in this job. This brand is called Dr. Sole, and they're from Taipei. And their whole style is influenced by vintage American culture. So they go for vintage American inspired looks and rubbers. So this specific rubber here is infused with little cork bits. So you can see little speckles of cork throughout. And I think this adds a bit more durability to the rubber, and probably what they use in about World War II Arab footwear as well. So it's a very, very cool patterns, cool designs, very durable grips, very cool colors. It's a very, very interesting company that's really, really taken over the boot world by storm. So we really love when our customers want to customize their footwear with Dr. Soul products. All right, so we have a pair of Iron Rangers and a pair of Beckmans. So as you can see, the toe shape is a bit more sleek and rounded on the Beckman model. And on the Iron Ranger model, it's more bulbous and a bit more protruding upwards. So obviously Red Wing started originally as a work boot company. And when the Beckman was released, it was kind of a hybrid between work and dress. And that's why people have kind of gravitated towards the Beckman. It's just less rugged, a little more dressy, but still the same durability and the classic quality that Red Wing always provides. And with that said, Red Wings are probably the boots we see the most in the shop for custom resoles and recrafts. The reason is because they're so customizable. You can really put anything you want on them: leather soles, rubber soles, different colors, different thread colors. They really just work well with recrafting. That's kind of what we specialize in here too. We're not just kind of a standard, slap a sole on, get it in and out as fast as possible. We kind of try to make art with what we do. And when we talk to our customers, they have a vision, they have a plan, and we just help you guys put that together and then, make these dreams come true through your footwear. Guys, we are wrapped up today's Red Wing Rescue project. So what started off as a chestnut featherstone leather has now been dyed to a dark brown leather, new welts, oak bark tan leather full soles, beautiful Dr. Soul green half soles and heels, and a big 3-layer leather heel stack, and some beautiful waxed flat laces to pop them off. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you did enjoy this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. If you're also into shorter form content, we are very, very active on Instagram, Facebook, and we just got a TikTok page too. And we have a full catalog of work across those platforms. So if you like shorter content, please check those out. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time on the next project.